and perform. Here the students of Standard 4 are going to perform a drama from 4th standard English textbook The Laughing King. It is a story of King Leonard who gets cursed of witch Griselda. So let's enjoy the drama. Hello everyone, let me introduce the character of this play. Sohail as King Leonard, Firdaus as witch Griselda, Zara as Queen, Fatima as Princess Cynthia, Zain as Ferdinand, Aziz as Wiseman. King Leonard is taking a walk in his garden.
What a bright sunny morning! How colorful my garden looks! Ah, how sweet the flowers smell! Now who is that hurrying here? Isn't it Griselda the witch? Ha 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 ha!
Griselda is seen walking in hurriedly. Witch scrambles out of the puddle and comes limping towards the king. Shame on you, King Leonard. You laugh at my fall. If you like laughing so much, may you laugh all the time. 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 Witch is sitting under the tree and frowning the laughing king and wiping off the mud from her body. Scene 2. The palace. The king enters still laughing. The queen, who has been looking for the king, comes with him with a plate full of cake. Won't you taste these special cakes I baked for you? By the way, why are you laughing? Stop laughing, dear. You will rob the plate. Oh no! You have broken one of my best plates and robbed my special cakes. Oh no! Father, we can hear your laugh all over the palace. But why are you laughing? And do well understand over a broken plate. Never mind, Mama. I'll pick up the broken pieces and I'll try to mend it. Oh, I have cut my finger. Father, you are still laughing when I have cut my finger.
I should stop laughing. Ha 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 ha! But I cannot. Ho ho ho! Let me go and console my counsel to the wise men. Ha 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 ha! They will know what to do. Ho 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 ho! Ho 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 ho! Come this.
Scene 3. The wise man was holding a meeting with a ruler of the neighboring kingdom, King Ferdinand. The king enters to the chamber, followed by the attendants. But your majesty, King Ferdinand have complained with that thieves have fruit stolen from his orchard. How can you laugh at my complaint? I will not put up with this sort of insult. I will soon be back with my army. Your Majesty, what makes you laugh at this serious hour?
Ha ha can't help laughing. Oh, oh, oh. Due to which Griselda's magic. Ah, 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 ah.
Of its magic, well, let's all go to Witch Griselda and request her to help the king. Scene 4. The palace garden. The king enters with his wise men. They sees the witch still sitting there and frown on her face. Oh, Witch Griselda, our dear king is sick of laughing. Please free him from the spell. No, why did he laugh at me when I fell into the puddle? Do forgive him, please.
I am sorry, Witch Griselda. I hurt your feelings when I laughed at you when you fell into a puddle. Because of your spell, I hurt my wife's feeling and then my daughter and my friends by laughing at their misfortunes. Ha 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 ha. I promise you, I never laugh at others.
Since you are sorry about your behavior, I will give you one chance. But you laugh at anyone's troubles, King Leonard.
Never again. Ho ho ho.
Come. Back to your normal self. Back to your normal self. Back to your normal self.
At last, I have stopped laughing. What a relief. Thank you very much, Miss Griselda. Thank you. Now I will write a letter of apology to King Ferdinand and I will get a set of new plates to my queen. Bring my daughter Cynthia. I will stick a plaster on her poor finger. But first, I present a new dress to dear old Witch Griselda.
3 cheers for King Leonard. Hip hip hooray!